We're doing an experiment. I'm gonna show you how windy it is out right now. This is how windy it is right now. It's just like, just hear the wind. That's how windy it is. So we're gonna take this bed sheet. Basically, we're gonna put some duct tape on these handles right here.
So no, we already did the handles.
Basically, we're improving it to make it more like a sail.
First one was design 1.
Design 1.
This is design 2.
Was okay.
You can't see us.
I know. Can't
But you
really.
can hear us.
So yeah, I came up with this idea on the spot. We were in the front room reading, and there's strong winds.
Oh, that
and so I'm like, I've got an idea. Why don't we go windsurfing?
Maybe this will work for like a mast or something.
Maybe,
I don't know. We want something that I can like just hold a rod instead of having my arms like this the entire time.
Right.
But we have a paint roller here, and what's better with this paint roller instead of using just this is if I have it up here, I can put my foot on it. And it's not gonna break because I put all my weight on my back foot when I ride anyway.
Right, okay.
Then we take this red rod that we found and we put it here, we make it even, we duct tape it. So instead of me having my arms out like this the entire time, I just have to hold a stick right in the middle. You wanna try that?
While you guys are talking, I found this.
That might even work better.
Yeah.
Longer.
Right.
Okay, that'll work so much better. Alright.
Okay. Oh my goodness.
This is what
That's our
it,
sail.
It looks really awkward right now, but hopefully this will work.
I swear.
This took us a
thing
while.
rips, I'm done.
The new meme.
I'm not even recording. Just zoom in. Lol, JK, you got ring.
Anyways, that's it for this video. If you've enjoyed, like, comment, subscribe. Please share the video.
Yeah, see you guys later.